Greetings to all and welcome to my channel Stabana, and this is architect V.Raghuram, and in this video we are going to talk about some of the world famous architecture building which is in my favorite list because there are many buildings which comes under world famous architecture buildings, but I have categorized, there are some buildings which I have inspired and I have learned many things from those buildings, so I have categorized those buildings which is my favorite world famous architecture building. So I hope this video will be useful for you and you will enjoy this video. And if you are into history or if you are curious about amazing architecture, I think you are in the right place. We'll start this video now. The first building we are going to talk about is the Eiffel Tower. So the Eiffel Tower in France, which was built in 1889, and the purpose of this particular building is to show the industrial power of France. So to show the industrial power, they built such a huge structure by using only on iron. So this particular building was designed by architect Gustave Eiffel, and the original plan was the structure as planned to dismantle after 20 years, but it was not done actually. The one more interesting feature is the entire structure for maintenance purpose, they are painting at every 7 years. So they are making painting at every 7 years. But the interesting thing is they are not using any technological or machineries for painting. They are using only manual way of painting. The professional or skilled laborers, manual laborers, they are painting the entire structure at every 7 years. So currently this Eiffel Tower has been used for telescopic observation, wind studies, and geographical and astronomical study purpose. It is being used still now. Okay, so the next building we are going to talk about is the Taj Mahal. The Taj Mahal was built in the year of 1653. Actually, it's a mausoleum for Mumtaz Mahal, and the design style comes under Mughal architecture style. So this building is mainly has feature of marble and intricate inlay design works. In this particular building, I have learned many things like about the symmetrical planning, balancing in architectural principle like symmetry, balance, rhythm, hierarchy. Then also you can learn about gardening, that is called formal gardens, and water, that is called fountain, and water piping systems. So everything we can learn in this particular building. So this is one of my favorite building. The next building I will see about Sydney Opera House in Australia. This building was constructed in 1973, and the Performance Arts Center. Actually, it's a performing arts center, and this building designed by architect John Woodson. The building style comes under modernist style, and the beauty of this particular building is about this building is a shell type of structure. It's a very bigger structure, comes under shell structure. The fourth building we are going to see about the Postal Museum in Mauritius. This building was constructed in 19th century, that is in 1987. This building showcases the history of postal services in Mauritius. The style of this particular building comes under colonial architecture, so I really enjoyed this kind of colonial architecture style. So this building comes under colonial architectural style. The purpose of the building now is to preserve and display postal history of that particular Mauritius. The next building we are going to talk about, Sky Tower, Tokyo, Japan. This building was constructed in 1994, and the interesting thing is why I choose this particular building is, about the Japan is it's a zone where they face more earthquakes, volcanic reactions, so natural disasters like that. So people, they have taken a challenge and they built such a huge skyscraper, Sky Tower. This is the height of nearly 200 meter high, and this building is entirely used for an office building. And also the important thing is you can learn about more functional design. This building design is mainly focused on functional and efficient design rather than going for an aesthetic approach. So the entire building has a curtained glass wall and sleek cylindrical form design. So the next building we are going to talk about, glass building, the Edge at New York. So this is also a skyscraper building. It is constructed in 2020. This building has an extensive use of glass, and also this is a good example for sleek and minimalist design. and this building also used for an office purpose, and this is a good example for sustainable planning building design. The next building we are going to talk about Tiruvannamalai temple, that is Arunachaleswarer temple in Tamil Nadu. This building was constructed in 9th century by Chola dynasty, and there are many expansions and renovation has been carried out by the later kings in the later period. And the main feature of this particular temple is grand gopuram, that is very highest gopuram, and pillared hall, that is called mandabas, or it's called pillared hall, multi-purpose halls, and very big large campus, and which is comes under Dravidian style, and it has a detailed sculptural work in granites. So next building we are going to talk about Puri temple, that is Puri Jagannath temple. This temple is dedicated to Lord Vishnu Jagannath, and this temple was built during 12th century by the king Anantavarman Chodaganga. That is the king who has built this particular temple, and this is also one of the good example for Kalinga style architecture, that is called Kalinga. This is known for its monumental scale and intricate stone carvings. So I think these are all the building which comes under my favorite list. I think you will enjoy this video, and we will see in the very good useful information in upcoming videos, and stay with us. Thank you for watching, and thank you again.